name is Mark Manawis.
And I'm David Aniel.
And we are the general management team for the 2022-2023 robotics season.
If you're interested in manufacturing, electrical, design, business, or marketing, come down to the lab. Team 360 is the place for you.
We meet every Tuesday and Thursday from 4 to 6. And if you are interested or have any questions, please contact us at gm@frc360.com.
Does me eye spot in the distance the speckle of stardust?
Aye, the treasure we've all awaited for, shining on the horizon, soon to be in the hands of ye ol' sea dog.
You mean we, ol' sea dog?
Ye ol' sea dogs?
Aye, we. Don't reckon that there stardust being in our clutches changes anything. We be a team, don't you forget.
Since when does being a pirate involve teamsmanship? With this new bossy attitude of yours, maybe I'll take the dust off for myself. What do you say about that?
Hey, belay your belly aching, the both of you. One more second spent with ye squabbling about gets us farther away from the stardust. I reckon if I left you both to your arguing, I'd have gotten me paws on the dust by now. I bet me left eye on it.
Aye, sir?
Aye, sir.
Aye, sir.
Aye, sir, me aye. Gee, both of you are a bunch of old lily-livered, good for nothing.
Look! The stardust! I can't see it in the distance anymore.
What?
I fear the shimmer has pulled a disappearing act. Alas, mateys, I fear the tide has claimed her. She belongs to the sea now.
The sea, you says.
The sea, I says.
I see that, says I. You reckon anybody will get their hands on this stardust?
I believe the only way we'll be able to get our hands on it is by going to see that show over there at Bellarmine Prep, Peter and the Star Catcher.
Maybe this Peter fellow will have more luck with than we did.
Did? Come on, you scallywags, we losing daylight.